Assalamualaikum ji. So here is my take why private medical graduates should not opt for the house job in a government institute. First of all, house job is a very big, huge, drastic change in your life. आप एकदम clinical side पे जाते हो and everything is totally different. People expect different from you as compared to when you are a medical student. Or professional life में there are some hurdles, there are some things जो you cannot actually learn without experiencing it. Okay, so reason why I'm saying कि private medical graduates को government institutes नहीं pick करने चाहिए, because for the last 5 years you work in your wards a little bit, faculty, you know the whereabouts of your hospital, and the first time you shift from a medical school to a hospital, you should know a little about it. Another reason is that you will have your friends around you, which is a very huge point to survive house job. Thing you have to keep in mind is that house job in a government hospital is going to be unpaid, while you will be getting paid in your parent institute. Okay, type जिसने exams देने, they don't want to ask for money from their parents anymore. So this is an important thing you have to keep in mind. You have to show that you were a graduate from here and you moved there to work. So this whole document fuss is also present if you have to move abroad. Next, if you are planning to move abroad and you are like planning to take an exam, say MRCP or PLAB, then obviously in a private hospital you will have plenty of time to prepare for it. See, money is a big issue, okay, and you cannot deny it. अगर आपने 5 साल private medical college में पढ़ा है, then obviously you have spent almost 70-80 lakh, and now you are going to work unpaid in a government hospital. Why do you want to do that? Because of the exposure. About the exposure, I want to tell you, exposure is good, but learning is important. If you are seeing 100 patients in a day and you have not learned anything except for Ryzik 40 mg, then you have wasted your day. If you have seen one patient with acute asthma in your hospital and you have treated him with the same protocol that is written in the books, and then you read it in the book and then you imply it again, this is learning. You have to open your mind regarding learning. Just filling the documents, putting in IV and prescribing Ryzik and onset is not learning. Yes, you get the exposure, your hand technique might get better, but eventually you have to treat the patient. If you don't know what is the treatment, if you don't know how to counsel the patient, how are you going to treat him? See, in a government hospital, you are continuously seeing patients. You don't know how to counsel them. You just say, ये आप medicine ले, so OPD में check कराए. This is the true reality of a government hospital. I don't know why private graduates are so obsessed with the government hospital. I get it, आप private medical college में पढ़े हो, but government. So please stop the obsession with the government hospital house job. What you have to do, you have to do, okay? You have to learn it yourself. अगर आप दिन में एक केस भी अच्छा देख लेते हैं, एक CLD आप अच्छा पढ़ लेते हैं, और या आप एक हर्निया का केस सही तरह देख लेते हैं, this is the actual win rather than the number of patients, okay? अगर आप एक पेशेंट को सही तरह से काउंसिल कर देते हो, आपको DNR करना आ जाता है, आपको लामा करना आ जाता है, एंड इन द हाउस जॉब हर हॉस्पिटल में एटलीस्ट इतने पेशेंट्स होते हैं कि आपको बेसिक चीज़ें आ जाए, ओके? एंड चूज़ योर हाउस जॉब वाइजली, एंड आई जस्ट होप दिस माइट हैव हेल्प्ड. सीनियर्स आपको गाइड करेंगे कि नहीं, हाउस जॉब में बहुत अच्छा, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में बहुत काम होता है, ये है वो है, बट उस काम के साथ लर्निंग नहीं होती है. This is what I'm trying to say. You are supposed to learn. You are supposed to use this time with smartness. You have to keep some time for your exams as well. But when you are in a government house job, then you are so exhausted. आपको सोने के अलावा कोई टाइम नहीं मिलता है. So please, अगर आपने बाहर का प्लान करना है, do it wisely. बुक योर एग्ज़ाम्स अकॉर्डिंगली एंड हाउस जॉब अपने इंस्टीट्यूट में करें. यू विल सी फेमिलियर फेसेस, देयर विल बी नो रेसिज्म एंड यू विल लर्न. ओके.